Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
The dock shows apps for quick access on Mac OS and often on other systems. This guide walks you through safe removal methods step by step. Removing an app from the dock does not delete the app from your hard drive. You will learn 3 methods that work in common setups. First, we cover direct drag removal on Mac OS. Next, we show the context menu option for both Mac OS and Windows. Finally, we explain alternative settings for persistent dock items. Click the dock icon and hold until the contextual menu appears. Choose options to see Remove from Dock where applicable. Alternatively, click and drag the icon up and off the dock until you see a Remove label. Release the mouse to confirm removal and watch the icon disappear with a short animation. If icons reappear because of recent activity, open System Settings and go to Desktop and Dock. Use the toggle to disable, showing recent applications in the dock. Use the command line to build, deploy, and debug Android applications efficiently. Build your app with Gradle using /gradlu assemble debug for a quick debug APK. Install the APK on a device with a db install app debug. App can view runtime logs with a dblogcat for troubleshooting. Use fastboot flash boot. IMG only on unlocked devices when you need to flash images or recover a bricked device. Keep platform tools up to date for fast boot and a
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.